I'm Thomas Smith, and I'm wondering for other people, how long does it normally take you to take down your Halloween decorations? In my case, it's about 6 days after Halloween now. I'm just starting to actually get around to taking them down. This year, they're not even that complex. I showed before, I've got a couple of my ghosts here. Got some other things. I'm going to go ahead and take these down. But I'm wondering, let me know in the comments, how long do you normally take to take down your Halloween decorations? Do you do it the day after and, make everyone in your neighborhood happy? Or do you feel like, well, I put in so much effort, I'm just going to keep them up for a while longer? Also, how much storage space do you put towards Halloween stuff? Because I know I definitely, the stuff, the ghost here folds up pretty small, but you can definitely end up with some big items. You gotta find all the different electrical cords where they ended up all around the yard and fold everything up again, unplug everything, get everything sorted away. And some of these things I repurpose. So I've shared before, Nova Stella sent me these cool floodlights that you can make multicolor, so they're kind of spooky. And I'll put these away for a bit and then take them back out for later holidays where you want to light up your house, and you can choose different colors. Here I've got like a spooky purple, but for other holidays, obviously you can choose the right colors for you. The squirrels had a good time getting into my pumpkins this year, so obviously I don't want to leave these out, so I'm going to go ahead and put this in the compost. There's that. And there we go, all packed up for next year. So yeah, let me know, how long do you normally procrastinate before taking down your decorations?